The Screwseal is a wire connector designed in a way that integrates twist-on wire connectors and adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. Twist-on wire connector includes a fixed rectangular spring to make it possible to connect wires by turning to connect the wires firmly without having to twirl the wires. Adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing has a high shrink ratio of 4:1 for complete fastening, sealing, and insulating, making it possible to prevent wire pulled loose due to strain or vibration. Furthermore, it uses materials with high flame resistance ratings to make shrink possible using a portable torch or lighter. Next is how the Screwseal can be used. First, prepare the stripped wire and Screwseal. Insert the wire in the Screwseal. Turn the connected Screwseal clockwise to connect the wire. After connection, pull on the wire to check connection. Use torch or lighter to heat the heat shrink tubing part to finish. The color-coded shell makes it easy to choose the right connector for the application. The Screwseal wire connector is used for electric wiring at various types of construction sites, including residential, commercial, and industrial construction projects, and is also widely used for connecting fixed devices, such as household appliances, lighting fixtures, and kitchen facilities. Choosing the Screwseal wire connector is the best way to protect your valuable property and life from electrical fires.